Hey fabulous, Madam Sophy here to do a quick review on this really cute Cara Beauty Glow Dust highlighting palette. This is HL08. I purchased this off iKateHouse.com. It came with this sleeve over it, and it says on here, this easy to use all-in-one palette contains everything you need to create the perfect glow to add luster to your face. 6 luminous powders filled with shimmer and shine. The silky powders can be easily combined with perfection to sculpt your features. Okay, it does have talc in it for those of you who are pretty iffy about the ingredient talc. And this is what the palette looks like. You have 6 highlight colors to work with, and I'm just gonna do a quick swatch. So I'm gonna start with this color here. Okay, this is what this color here looks like. It's a bit powdery, so I would suggest if you're purchasing this, I would suggest that you use a damp cloth. I would suggest that you use, because as you can see, it's very powdery. Let me get my face out of it so you can focus on. Okay, so it's very powdery, but so I would suggest you use probably a wet brush prior to applying it on your face. Next off is, let me wipe my finger. Next, I'm gonna try this color here. The colors don't have names. It's not, the packaging is pretty, but the color doesn't have names. This is pretty cute. Okay. Next, I'm gonna try this tangerine looking color here. Now the first and the third color kind of looks a little similar, but the third color has more of an orange base look to it. So now I'm going to try the last one. I'm going to try this white shimmery shade here. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't think I will be using this shade very often. And this one, you could kind of use this one for contour if you're going for something that's more of this shade, but this is more of a red base. I would more use this as an eyeshadow as opposed to using it as a highlighter. And last but not least, there's this color right here. Okay, so there you have it. These are your 6. These are the 6 swatches of the Cara Beauty Glow Dust Kit, that is HL08. And today I think I will be using a mixture of this color here or this color. I think that's what I'd like to do. And maybe I'll go for the tangerine looking. So I already did my contour, blush, foundation, eyeshadow, everything. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go into highlighting my face, and I'm just gonna do a review on this product. This is actually my second time using this product. My take on it is that it's powdery a lot. It's a little chalky, but once you wet your brush and you use it, you should be good. And it kind of, I'm not saying that this is a dupe, don't quote me on it, but it's kind of a good, it's kind of a, if you cannot really afford the Bretman Rock and Morphe collaboration, this would kind of be a good palette that you could get. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but at the time I bought it, iKateHouse had a really good sale, and I was able to get it at a discounted price. I'm not sure how much it's being sold right now, but I've left the information on where you could purchase this highlighting palette in the description box. So like I said, most likely I'm gonna use these 3 colors to do my highlighting. These are the 3 colors I'm gonna use to do my highlighting. So let's hope that all goes well. And while I'm doing it, I'm going to wet my brush just to avoid that chalky feel, that chalky look on my face when I put it on. To wet my brush, I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime setting spray. That's what I'm going to use to wet my brush. So I'm going to start off with this color. Well, actually, I'm just going to mix these three colors. I'm going to mix this one, and then I'm going to go into this one and into the tangerine color. Another thing I really like about this palette is that it comes with a mirror. See, it's very chalky. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to spray the brush. And this brush is by Eco Tools. And I'm just going to highlight. Go ahead and just highlight. It's not bad at all. I'm just mixing in those three colors I showed you. Okay, just wetting the brush real quick. I'm just gonna go up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the very same thing and do the other side of my face. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my nose, and I'm just going to use my finger for the bridge of my nose. And I'm just using the combination of the three colors I said I'm going to use to do that. Okay, I'm not really liking how this is looking, so I'm going to use a blending brush. I'm going to go in the same three colors and highlight my cuticle. Should I have wet the brush this time? Okay, so I'm going to highlight my cupid's bow. I'm also going to highlight my whole lip. And I'm just going to kind of blend in everything. And then I'm going to add some to my brow bone area as well. I'm going to use an eyeshadow brush to do that. And I'm also going to wet the brush. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. For lips, I think I'm going to use a peachy kind of color. Alright, for lips, I'm going to use the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Tirimisu. And that's what I'm going to use on my lips. This is another thing I bought from ikidhouse.com. And this lip color is really pretty. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but I was told that the Jordana line is an affordable line that is on the Milani, and I think it's kind of true because I also own a Milani matte liquid lipstick, and comparing the Jordana to the Milani liquid lip cream, comparing the Jordana matte lipstick to my Milani matte lipstick, they smell the same and the applicators are somewhat the same. Let me see if I can get one real quick to show you what I'm talking about. So this is my Milani liquid lipstick. Well, the applicators are somewhat different, and when I smell it, they smell the same. Unless my nose is not working correctly, but they smell pretty much the same. But anyway, I'm gonna be using Tirimisu on my lips. palette. This is a pretty palette. It's very much affordable. I believe this palette costs less than $20. I would think it's in the price range of $12 to $15 or $16. It's really a good buy. Like I said, the trick to putting it on is to wet your brush prior to applying it on your face. Okay. One more thing I forgot to do is to set my face. Now, normally some people like setting their face prior to putting on their highlighter, but I don't really like that because I don't want the highlighter to mess my makeup. So to have more control of how much highlighter I'm putting and to have control of the shine, because I don't want to be walking around looking like I got a glitter stick on my face. So in order to have more control of the amount of highlighter I'm putting on, I really like I prefer wetting my brush and then putting the highlighter on, as opposed to setting my face and then putting the highlighter on. I think it's better that way because you have so much control of the amount of product you're putting on. Forgot to do this part. You have so much more control of the amount of product you're putting on your face whenever you do it that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my face real quick. Another thing I really like about this product is I really like the packaging. It's pretty slick. You must just be careful of where you store the product because sometimes this could end up opening. Depending on how you store it, this could end up opening. So just make sure that you store it correctly. I really like the packaging. It's simple but sleek. It has this really nice shine to it that I really like. It has this holographic look. And I really like the nude color that it came in. So you get 6 highlighters and it's under $20. I think it's worth it if you're on a budget or if you're just trying to start off your makeup kit. I think that it's definitely worth it. So I think it's a yay for this one. I think this item is Sophy approved. Okay, this is definitely Sophy approved. So if you want to pick it up, I bought mine off eyeshadow.com, or you could go on the Cara Beauty website. I think on the Cara Beauty website it's going to be a little more pricey for you. So if you're interested in purchasing that item, I think iKit House would be the best place to purchase it because you get it at a discounted rate. And on iKit House, you always get a chance to use the discount code or coupon code. Normally there's a 5% off coupon code that you could use prior to checking out. So I think definitely if you're purchasing this, iKit House would be a place to be. Alright, so that's my take on it. So thank you, Sophie, for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for clicking on my video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button to be part of the Sophia's squad. I hope you guys like my content. If there is anything that you'd like me to do a review on, please let me know. I'll be more than willing to do that. And by the way, guys, I bought this product with my own money. This is not a sponsored video, okay? So just letting you know. But this is my take on this highlighting palette, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, guys.